how to use your virtual card from Revolt. So this video is all about how can you use your virtual card offered by a reward payments application. So just watch this video till the end so you will get your solution. Currently my reward application is in waitlisted mode, so I wrote down all the steps, all the genuine tricks by which you can perform this action and successfully you can use your virtual debit card from reward application. So let's move to the steps now. Firstly, once you create a virtual card, it is ready to be used. You don't have to do anything to activate it. You just don't have to do any setting in your card. Whenever you will order your card, it is received by you, then it is already activated to use anywhere you want. To view its detail, you can click on the find your details, card details on the reward application. Virtual cards do not have a PIN code. You can connect your virtual reward card to Apple Pay, Google Pay to make contactless payments in the shops, restaurants, or in public transit. You cannot use virtual cards at ATM. Also, you can have up to 20 active virtual cards, one disposable card linked to your account. There is a limit how quickly you can obtain 20 virtual cards. You can only create a maximum of 4 new virtual cards every 30 days, not including single card use. So this is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel if you like, and we will meet again with next and the best video with all of you.